Hi, everyone. Welcome to Quick Speak Q&A. If you dream of working from anywhere in the world and want to speak English with confidence, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring essential English dialogues every digital nomad needs. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Let's begin. Where are you working from today?
I'm working from a cafe near the beach.
Do you like working in coffees?
Yes, I love the atmosphere.
Is the Wi-Fi good there?
Yes, it's fast and stable.
What time did you start working today?
I started around 8.
Are you traveling to a new city soon?
Yes, I'm going next week.
Which country are you in right now?
I'm in Portugal at the moment.
Do you enjoy remote work?
Yes, I love the freedom.
What tools do you use for work?
I use my laptop and a good headset.
Do you work full-time or part-time?
I work full-time.
Do you meet other digital nomads?
Yes, I meet them in coworking spaces.
Do you like co-working spaces?
Yes, they help me focus.
Do you prefer working alone or with others?
I like working around others.
How long will you stay in your current city?
About 1 month.
Do you book long stays or short stays?
Usually 1 month stays.
Do you use Airbnb often?
Yes, almost every trip.
Do you check reviews before booking?
Yes, always.
Do you look for good Wi-Fi in your stay?
Yes, it's my first priority.
Do you work from your apartment sometimes?
Yes, when I need silence.
Do you like living near the city center?
Yes, it's convenient.
Do you walk a lot in new cities?
Yes, I explore on foot.
Do you use public transportation?
Yes, all the time.
Do you enjoy local food when traveling?
Yes, I try something new every week.
Do you cook in your apartment?
Yes, to save money.
Do you work with international clients?
Yes, from different countries.
Do you schedule meetings often?
Yes, almost every day.
Do you use video calls for work?
Yes, many calls.
Do time zones affect your work?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you plan your week ahead?
Yes, every Sunday.
Do you use a digital calendar?
Yes, it helps a lot.
Do you work better in the morning?
Yes, I'm more productive early.
Do you take breaks often?
Yes, short breaks help.
Do you like working outdoors?
Yes, when the weather is good.
Do you travel light?
Yes, only one backpack.
Do you pack quickly?
Yes, I'm used to it.
Do you enjoy airports?
Yes, They feel exciting.
Do you fly often?
Yes, every few months.
Do you prefer direct flights?
Yes, they save time.
Do you work during flights?
Sometimes, if it's quiet.
Do you get tired from travel?
Yes, long trips are tiring.
Do you like meeting new people?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Do you make friends easily?
Yes, especially with other nomads.
Do you join meetups?
Yes, I join events for remote workers.
Do you like learning local languages?
Yes, at least basic phrases.
Do you feel safe in new places?
Yes, most places are safe.
Do you research cities before going?
Yes, always.
Do you check the cost of living?
Yes, it's important.
Do you prefer cheaper cities?
Yes, they help me save money.
Do you enjoy warm climates?
Yes, I love the sun.
Do you like the beach lifestyle?
Yes, very much.
Do you use travel insurance?
Yes, always.
Do you work from the beach sometimes?
Not really. Sand gets everywhere.
Do you drink coffee while working?
Yes, every morning.
Do you like digital nomad life?
Yes, it's my dream life.
Do you ever miss home?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you call your family often?
Yes, we talk weekly.
Do you keep your passport in a safe place?
Yes, always.
Do you use cloud storage?
Yes, for all my files.
Do you worry about losing your laptop?
Yes, it would be a problem.
Do you back up your work often?
Yes, every week.
Do you use noise-canceling headphones?
Yes, they help a lot.
Do you work from libraries sometimes?
Yes, when I need silence.
Do you enjoy big cities?
Yes, they're exciting.
Do you enjoy small towns?
Yes, they're calm.
Do you try local cafés?
Yes, new cafe every week.
Do you take photos on your trips?
Yes, lots of photos.
Do you post on social media?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you like digital minimalism?
Yes, it keeps me organized.
Do you work on creative projects?
Yes, I love creative work.
Do you feel inspired when traveling?
Yes, new places inspire me.
Do you worry about slow internet?
Yes, it's frustrating.
Do you check internet speed before booking a place?
Yes, always.
Do you use a VPN?
Yes, for security.
Do you track your expenses?
Yes, I use an app.
Do you live on a budget?
Yes, most months.
Do you like coworking memberships?
Yes, they're useful.
Do you meet clients face to face?
Not often.
Do you like winter destinations?
Yes, snow is fun.
Do you try street food?
Yes, when it looks safe.
Do you enjoy night markets?
Yes, they're amazing.
Do you drink enough water while traveling?
I try to.
Do you prefer long stays over short ones?
Yes, long stays are easier.
Do you work while traveling between cities?
Sometimes on trains.
Do you feel productive in new environments?
Yes, change helps me focus.
Do you follow a routine?
Yes, a simple one.
Do you exercise while traveling?
Yes, I do home workouts.
Do you try local gyms?
Yes, when they offer day passes.
Do you eat healthy while traveling?
I try to. Not always.
Do you enjoy trying new foods?
Yes, that's the best part.
Do you like remote work communities?
Yes, they're friendly.
Do you use co-working day passes?
Yes, very often.
Do you stay in hostels sometimes?
Yes, when I want to be social.
Do you prefer private rooms?
Yes, for work.
Do you visit landmarks?
Yes, on weekends.
Do you explore nature?
Yes, hiking is great.
Do you book flights early?
Yes, to save money.
Do you enjoy writing travel notes?
Yes, it helps me remember.
Do you work during evenings?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you like early mornings?
Yes, quiet and calm.
Do you like discovering quiet cafés?
Yes, they're perfect for work.
Do you ask locals for tips?
Yes, locals know the best spots.
Do you learn something new in every country?
Yes, always.
Do you enjoy slow travel?
Yes, no rush.
Do you stay in one country for months?
Yes, when I like it.
Do you book last-minute trips?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you work from your phone sometimes?
Yes, for quick tasks.
Do you like simple work setups?
Yes, less is better.
Do you use productivity apps?
Yes, every day.
Do you organize your digital files?
Yes, once a week.
Do you work on personal projects?
Yes, when I have time.
Do you watch sunsets in new cities?
Yes, they're beautiful.
Do you feel free as a digital nomad?
Yes, very free.
Do you plan long-term travel?
Yes, 6 months ahead.
Do you ever stay in one place too long?
Yes, sometimes I stay extra.
Do you try different work styles?
Yes, I experiment.
Do you use online banks?
Yes, they're easier for travel.
Do you like using maps apps?
Yes, they help a lot.
Do you feel lonely sometimes?
Yes, but it's normal.
Do you use coworking to meet people?
Yes, it works great.
Do you work best in silence?
Sometimes, yes.
Do you enjoy long walks after work?
Yes, they clear my mind.
Do you journal your travels?
Yes, every few days.
Do you like living near the ocean?
Yes, it's relaxing.
Do you enjoy mountain destinations?
Yes, beautiful views.
Do you plan your travel route?
Yes, before each trip.
Do you choose places with good weather?
Yes, weather matters.
Do you use translation apps?
Yes, they help a lot.
Do you send many emails daily?
Yes, too many.
Do you need breaks between meetings?
Yes, definitely.
Do you cook simple meals?
Yes, easy and quick.
Do you like minimal packing?
Yes, feels lighter.
Do you keep souvenirs?
Only small ones.
Do you like seeing the sunrise?
Yes, especially near the ocean.
Do you enjoy working with a view?
Yes, it inspires me.
Do you see yourself being a nomad for years?
Yes, I hope so.
Do you enjoy discovering new cultures?
Yes, it's wonderful.